Are you tired of swiping left and right without any luck? Discover how AI-powered dating apps are revolutionizing the way we find love. Unveil the secrets behind these smart matchmakers and learn how they're changing the game of online dating. In this video, we will explore some of the features and applications of AI in dating apps and share some tips on how to use them effectively. Don't miss out on this chance to find your perfect match. AI-powered dating apps are a new trend in the online dating scene. They promise to help users find more compatible partners, improve their communication skills, and create a safer and more respectful environment. But how do they work, and what are the benefits and challenges of using them? AI features in dating apps. AI is a broad term that refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI can be applied to various aspects of dating apps, such as matching. AI can analyze user profiles, preferences, behavior, and feedback to suggest potential matches that are more likely to be compatible and interested. For example, Tinder uses Amazon recognition to detect personality markers and improve the matching algorithm for premium users. Some apps also use facial recognition to match users with people who resemble celebrities or their exes. Conversation. AI can generate or suggest messages, responses, or questions to help users start or maintain a conversation with their matches. For example, your move. AI uses natural language processing, NLP, to create personalized and engaging messages based on the user's profile and chat history. Some apps also use chatbots to simulate a conversation with a real person or a fictional character. Advice. AI can provide feedback, tips, or recommendations to users on how to improve their dating skills, profile, or photos. For example, Tinder tests an AI tool called Smart Photos that automatically selects the best-looking photos for the user's profile. Some apps also use AI coaches or mentors to guide users through the dating process. Benefits of AI-powered dating apps. AI-powered dating apps can offer several advantages to users, such as efficiency. AI can save time and effort for users by filtering out irrelevant or incompatible matches, and by providing suggestions or assistance for communication. This can reduce the frustration and fatigue that often come with online dating. Personalization. AI can tailor the user experience to each individual's needs, preferences, goals, and personality. This can increase the satisfaction and engagement of users and make them feel more understood and valued. Safety. AI can help protect users from harassment, abuse, fraud, or catfishing by detecting and blocking inappropriate or malicious messages, profiles, or behavior. This can create a more respectful and trustworthy environment for online dating. Challenges of AI-powered dating apps. AI-powered dating apps also pose some challenges and risks to users, such as privacy. AI requires access to a large amount of personal data from users, such as their photos, messages, location, social media accounts, etc. This raises concerns about how this data is collected, stored, shared, or used by the app developers or third parties. Users should be aware of the privacy policies and settings of the apps they use and exercise caution when sharing sensitive information. Authenticity. AI can create or manipulate content that may not reflect the reality or intentions of the users or their matches. This may lead to deception, confusion, or disappointment for users who expect genuine and honest interactions. Users should be careful when relying on AI-generated or suggested messages or profiles, and verify the identity and credibility of their matches before meeting them in person. Ethics. AI can influence the decisions and behavior of users in ways that may not align with their values or interests. For example, AI may promote certain types of matches over others based on superficial criteria or biases. Users should be aware of the limitations and assumptions of the AI algorithms behind the apps they use, and exercise their own judgment and agency when using them. Tips for using AI-powered dating apps. AI-powered dating apps can be a useful tool for finding love online, but they are not a magic solution. Users still need to put some effort and care into creating their profiles, communicating with their matches, and building relationships. Here are some tips on how to use AI-powered dating apps effectively. Be yourself. Don't let AI change who you are or what you want. Use AI as a helper, not a replacement. Express your personality, preferences, goals, and values in your profile and messages. Be honest and respectful with your matches. Don't rely on AI-generated or suggested content too much. Use your own words and voice whenever possible. Be curious. Don't let AI limit your options or expectations. Use AI as a guide, not a rule. Explore different types of matches that may not fit your usual criteria or standards. Be open-minded and willing to learn from different perspectives and experiences. Don't judge your matches based on AI-generated or suggested content alone. Ask questions and listen attentively to your matches. Be smart. Don't let AI compromise your safety or privacy. Use AI as a protector, not a risk. Protect your personal data and information from unauthorized or malicious access or use. Be careful when sharing sensitive or intimate details with your matches. Don't trust your matches blindly based on AI-generated or suggested content. Verify their identity and credibility before meeting them in person. Conclusion: AI-powered dating apps are a new and exciting way to find love online. They can help users find more compatible partners, improve their communication skills, and create a safer and more respectful environment. However, they also pose some challenges and risks to users, such as privacy, authenticity, and ethics. Users should be aware of the features and applications of AI in dating apps and use them wisely and responsibly. AI-powered dating apps are not a substitute for human connection, but a complement to it. Users still need to be themselves, be curious, and be smart when using them. Happy dating! Please like and subscribe!